So what is a mini flexi clip and what can you do with it? Hi, I'm Paula and I help ladies create the beautiful life they were made for. Now, many people think the Flexi Mini is just for toddlers or little girls or those with super fine hair. And you know what? It is great for those types of people. If you have a granddaughter with super fine toddler hair, the Mini is a perfect gift choice. If you yourself have fine, thin, or slippery hair, the Mini is great. But today I want to let you know that the Mini actually can be used by anyone. It can be used by anyone even if you have thick hair like I do. So I just want to come on and show some hairstyles that absolutely anyone can do with a mini flexi clip from Lilla Rose. So a mini flexi is pretty teeny tiny, as you can see. If you have the ponytail the circumference of the size of a dime, you could wear a mini in your ponytail and your tails up. So if you have super fine hair, this would work for your ponytail or tails up. Okay, so as you can see also, the flexi clip, if you're not familiar with it, has 4 notches right in the pin, so it has a little bit of give and versatility and it flexes. It's made out of music wire, so it flexes and wraps around your hair. The tension will hold your hair right in there, okay? Now, if you have thick hair like me, you can still use the flexi, which means if you have fine hair, medium hair, or thick hair, you absolutely can use a flexi. The first style that I use a lot is bangs back. This is perfect if you want to get the hair off of your face and if your bangs have been growing out a little bit and are getting a little bit unruly. So just take your bangs, right? Just pull it back, whatever you want to get off of your face, right? You can push it forward a little bit if you want a little bit of height. Take the pin, go along the scalp and come out the other side and in through that loop. So as you can see, that gets, it just clears up your face, especially on hot summer or fall days, and you are set. A second popular style is just pulling just part of the hair back at the top. Okay, so you may not even have bangs, but you might just want to get some of this hair back out of your way. So just pull that back like that. And again, the pin along the scalp and out, okay, and secure on the other loop, and that kind of gives you a little height and just gets that out of your way. Another awesome thing you can do with a mini is just pulling your sides back, okay? So you just all you have to do is just pull back like this. Again, you take the pin, go along the scalp and out and through the loop, and your side is back. Now you can just pull one side back like that. That's great for getting it out of your face. You can also use a second flexi and pull the other side back if you want to get them both out of your way. So just take a little bit off the other side. And again, go along the scalp and out and secure it in the loop on the other side. And you have it all off your face, which is awesome. Now, a variation on this style is to do an adorable, cute little braid. Just braid it back on the side and then secure it on each side or one. And that's a cute little style that is fun for everyone. Now, another hairstyle that many ladies with longer hair love is the side ponytail. This is where you'll take all of your hair and you'll just braid it down the side and then secure the end with a cute little mini flexi. It is so adorable. Another hairstyle that is super popular is the half up, half down. Now, normally with the half up, half down, I wear a size small since my hair is thick. So that means if I'm going to do a half up, half down with a mini, I just can't pull as much hair back in the half up. Okay, so instead of pulling as much hair as I normally would, I just might pull a little bit back. Okay, and put the pin in and out. Okay, and that is a half up, half down, just pulled back. Super cute and super easy. All right, now there's 3 ways to do the half up, half down, okay? And the second way is by braiding each side. So when you pull it back, do 2 little cute braids back, and that is super cute. The third way to do a half up, half down is a roll or a twist. Okay, and again, you just take part of the sides, okay, and this time you're just rolling them, twisting them back, okay, and they come together, and you take your flexi, the pin along the scalp and out, and secure it. And you have a little rolled half up, half down, which is super cute, yet super easy. But the last mini style I'm going to show you today is a bun, which might be super surprising to you because normally you have to use a larger size for your bun. But anyone can use even this little tiny mini for a bun. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so first of all, you just take your hair in a ponytail, twisting it around like you're doing a bun. And you go around, tuck it all in. Okay, now if you had a larger size flexi, you could go around the whole thing. But we're going to try taking this mini and just securing it over the top part of the bun. Okay, so put the pin in and go out. Okay, so just by securing the top part, you can hold up your whole bun, which is awesome, your whole messy bun. So I hope you can see all the amazing, these are just a few things you can do with a mini. Even if you have thick hair, it's perfect for fine, thin hair, but you can also use it for thick hair. Now there are so many super cute styles of the mini. It will be hard choosing. We have just the basic ones like the black nickel Celtic knot, which goes with everything. We have limited editions like this one with the blues and the turquoise. We have beachy ones like Shelly. Okay, I'll admit the beachy ones are my favorite, like the cute little flip flop. Okay, and Seascape, because I absolutely love this color. So beachy and fun. And then one of the newest limited editions is the Angel Fish Flexi, which turns colors depending on how you look at it. So several of these are limited editions, which means they're only out for a limited time. So if you would like to snag those, I recommend signing up for my email newsletter so you know what all the newest flexis are, because we're always getting in more styles. We have our basic set, but yet we're always getting in new ones that are in limited numbers. So if you'd like to join my email list, the link is below and it will enter you into a giveaway so that you can win a mini flexi of your own or something else on the website you'd like to shop for. So be sure to enter that giveaway, and then you'll also be notified of all the new styles that are in. A big question you may have is, how is the mini different from the new Flexi Flip? And that is a great question. Okay, so here is a mini Flexi Clip. The regular classic Flexi Clips, right, have 3 notches or 4 notches on one side and can go one way. Okay, they are a little bit versatile in size, but with a limit, right? So this is basically a dime in circumference. Now this is a small flexi flip. So just so you can see the difference in size between a mini and a small flexi flip. The flexi flip, be sure to watch my video if you haven't already. I'll include the link below. But the small flexi, each flexi flip can accommodate 3 sizes. So the small flexi flip can do mini, extra small, and small. You can go this way for larger sizes or flip around the pin to do smaller sizes like the mini. Okay, so if you're wanting to do a mini size, it just is personal preference whether you want something smaller in your hair or larger in your hair. And the minis have a centerpiece, whereas the flexi flips do not have a centerpiece because they are reversible. So I challenge you to try a mini flexi for yourself, even though you may have thought that it wasn't for you. Go ahead and try one and let me know how it works for you. And as I said, they make great gifts for your granddaughters, for your daughters, for your aunts, for your grandmothers. Anyone can use a mini flexi. Thanks so much for watching. Please be sure to give it a like if you got value and subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. And again, don't forget to enter the giveaway below.